Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I am back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to record video in TikTok at different video lengths. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our TikTok app first. So let's pause this video, and you can see the record button on the middle of your screen, middle bottom side of your screen. Just tap on the record, and after you have landed on this interface, you can see the three icons on the bottom of your screen. That is camera, quick and templates. They are templates and quick videos and camera. You cannot choose your video lengths on quick video, quick photos, or not templates, but you can choose your video lengths on the camera option over here. Since you can see the options available for video lengths in TikTok, which is 15 second, 60 second and 3 minutes. If you choose a 15-second video like this and tap on the red button like this, after 15 seconds your video will stop and the video, let's discard it, your video will be of 15 seconds. If you do the same process while choosing the 60 seconds option like this, then your video will be started at 00 and end at 60 seconds, which is 1 minute. And if you choose to record a video at 3 minutes, you need to choose the option 3 minutes like this, and after tapping the red icon like this, again your video, let's discard the video, your video's length will be of 3 minutes. There guys, this is how you choose the video length of TikTok in your account. And if you have any confusion or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys, and peace.